standing at the front door, and I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling in her right. She said they ain't on nowhere, boy, please spend a little time with me. I said, oh woman, I ain't got time with this. I'm ready to see. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. There's a good old boy that's making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hit my glass and let you know that I can't see. She said you ain't going nowhere, boy, till you spend a little time with me. Well, my friends called from Carmine's, so there's a party going on down here. Well, she may have hit my car keys. She forgot about my old John Deere tractor. One more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. There's a good old boy that's making noise and running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. The best that I can do. There's a good old boy that's making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
We're going to come back in singing. Well,
No, I don't
it'll be
say.
another curveball, but that's okay.
I heard that version about 10 years ago, just like that, where
Yeah.
they hang on the one at the end. I
They
heard
do
that
at the
version
end.
one time, yeah.
You know
Yeah,
what
we
you-
usually do that, but I,
No,
I,
you
thought,
know what-
I
you
didn't
heard
think the
that.
song was over yet, so I
No,
went through
you
the
heard
changes.
that
you
on
know.
the record.
I never heard the record really, but it's a great song.
Yes, it is.
And if Vince did it, you know it sounded mighty. I actually heard him do it live with JD on steel in Vegas.
JD, who's that? JD. Hi,
JD Maness, yes.
Just kidding.
Yes. Hey, we're up here at Carmine's Country Corner. And what did we call this, Kevin? This was like a warm-up show for the Archery Museum gig on Thursday, which is going to be pretty big, I think. We got a lot of people coming. I got all kinds of feedback this week from people. Even at Knott's Berry Farm, people are coming up.
Really?
Oh, yeah, being honest. They're driving like 30, 40 miles.
I got a bunch coming up. Do you think we?
I think it's going to be a good
I
crowd.
think we're not getting enough money.
Do you think my? Do you think we should start a fight, my people against your people?
Yeah, if we did that on stage, it would get a lot of news, a lot of coverage. And next time the show would really be big.
You know why I thought of that.
And then I have a good friend of mine tonight sitting right over here, Bob Pelli. I met him in about 1964. I think I just got married. I was like 19 years old or 20 years old, 18 maybe, I don't even know, many years ago. And he's going to get up a little bit and do kind of a fun song that you did a lot of music in the 60s, you and Dave, right? Dave Kimber.
MGM.
Yeah, you guys cut out. Who were you signed with?
MGM.
MGM. Yeah, I knew you back then when you went through that. That was fun. And you did something with the hoot owl or something?
Give a hoot, don't
You give a hoot, don't pollute. Did you guys write that? Yeah. They wrote that slogan, and then that was huge for a while.
Oh,
Give
yeah.
a hoot, don't pollute.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody, a bunch of tree huggers out there, you know, and all that stuff. Yeah, you were part of that, weren't you? Hippie. Hippie, you were a hippie. And that's why I love you. He said I still am. But anyway, yeah, that's my buddy Bob Pelli, man.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
I remember Give a Hoot.
Yeah, I did too. I remember when he did it, he was all proud. I said, Bob, that's great. You guys are making some headway. And then Dave Kimbert came to work with us on a 9-piece band I put together for Bobby Greer. We did that Elvis tribute show at the Palomino and at the Crescendo down in Anaheim. I think it's called the Cowboy, and now it's something else. A big club. Oh, we had so much fun in those days. We were all in our 20s and 30s and, doing all kinds of stuff. Anyway, okay. Bob,
Yes.
I guess you're next because Paul's not here and you're standing in his spot.
Okay. Yeah.
We got Bob Gothar on bass tonight. And Bob's going to be playing acoustic guitar with us this Thursday night at the Archery Museum. TomPaul Wilson here, my good friend, is going to be like our guest featured person, or whatever you want to call him, guest artist. And you kind of got us that gig, and you kind of put it together for us. So thank you for helping us out and everything you did.
You're welcome.
And we'll have a lot of fun.
We are going to have a lot
We're
of
going to
fun.
have a lot of people show up.
6:30. Listen, if it's raining, it's rain or shine.
Yeah.
Right? Because if it's raining, we'll go inside.
Yes.
So just heads up. If it's raining, don't stay away.
Yeah, come anyway, because then we'll all be. If not, we're going to be outside. We're still covered up, though, right?
Yeah.
We're like
There's
in an overhead.
heaters and stuff.
It's kind of in the entryway or something.
Yeah.
I mean,
We'll be there either way.
Why don't you just bring trash bags and put them on?
You could do that too.
That's a good
Ring
one.
of fire. Ring of fire. Hey.
Hey.
1, 2, 1.
Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 that ring of fire, the ring of fire. Intro. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Carmine, play the verse. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Play, Gary. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3
That was fun. Tom just suggested that Bob do that at the show Thursday night.
Oh, Adam, kill.
If we do it like that, we should. That sounded like that was a lot of fun. Anyway, go ahead. Want to do one, Tom?
Where it begins.
Okay, I'll do one.
Get going.
Let's do just for practice, not for real or anything. It's not like it counts.
You forget all those million people watching.
Yeah.
We'll practice.
Sympathy for the Devil.
Okay.
This is a Rolling Stones song. This is a.
Is this the one you start alone and then we come in?
No.
No, this isn't the one. Okay.
Well,
Well,
I'll play the cycle where I'll jump in and then I'll go.
Okay.
But
Following you.
I just want to say something real quick. This is by the Rolling Stones, and I always felt like those guys love country. What song did they have that would sound good in a country vibe? And I picked this one. So. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long years. So many man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure the pilot washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Carmine, you wanna play something? I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. Let's kill the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia, she screamed in vain. I rode the tank, I held the general's rank. When the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Go ahead, Dave. Yo, Dave, pick it up, buddy. Jere and Carmine, play together, boys. All right, here we go. I watch with glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. So please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I laid the trap for the troubadours who got killed before they reached Bombay. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? This is every cop is a criminal. And all the sinners are saints. His heads, his tails. You can call me Lucifer. But I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy. Have some sympathy. Have some taste. Use all your well-earned politeness, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? Here we go, we're heading out now. 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of mine.
That'll work.
I have a question about Bob's bass.
What?
I have a question about that.
Yes.
It's a Hofner,
Hoffner.
but it has a Gretsch paint job on it.
No, it's got a Hoffner picture.
I've never
It was
seen.
made in Germany.
Yeah,
Everyone-
but the
everyone-
Gretsch
yeah.
is the only orange guitar I've ever seen.
Well, this is a special one.
Yes.
It's a what?
A
So that's
special
made in Germany, and Hofner, of course, was made famous by the Beatles,
one. Yes.
by playing that
And-
like
and
violin
in
looking
the
bass.
In the old days, McCartney had one of these.
Oh, okay, before the
It's called
violin
the
type
club-
looking?
it's
Yeah.
called the club bass, because back when they were playing in Hamburg, he
Yeah.
used, yeah.
Yeah.
Back in the days of Hamburg in the early 60s, way early 60s, when the Beatles played in Hamburg, McCartney used a bass similar to this. It was a very popular instrument because they couldn't get American instruments very easy back then. Yeah. Yes.
Well,
I'm borrowing it from Kim Conrad, my buddy in Burbank.
thank you, Kim Conrad,
Thank
for
you,
doing
Kim.
that. Come up sometime and do the show with
I
us.
think he's watching us.
I hope he is. We
I
love
told
him.
him, yeah.
I don't even know him that way. Come on up, Pelli. Bob Pelli, who I've known over 60 years, or at least 60, kept wanting to come up and do the show, and you know, he used to do this for a living. He traveled all over the world with Dave Kimber on piano, and him, and they were signed to, what'd you say it was? MGM?
MGM.
They were signed to MGM, and the Hoot Owl thing that you guys did, so you got your feet wet pretty good in show business.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do tonight, just to have some fun with us? Key of G.
Key of G?
Yes.
You got it. Keep it up and we'll follow you, best man.
I remember when I met you, Carmen.
When was it?
All I know, you were stuck on a piece of gum somewhere.
Yep. Could have been.
Okay.
The third hardest thing I'll ever do is leaving here without you. And the second hardest thing I'll ever do is telling her about you. She's been good for me when things were going rough. How can I tell her now that good ain't good enough? And the hardest thing I'll ever have to do is leaving her, loving you. If she give me one good reason, I'd be gone. But she ain't done one thing wrong. So don't
vocals loud enough out there. Tom's here, so he can't tell us. Every week when Tom's not here, he watches the show, and because he's one of the people that help with all the technical stuff, one of the guys, he'll call Kim on the phone and go, the vocals aren't loud enough, the drum is this, and then we start mixing as we go. But yeah, if you guys would get right on the mic and do this, then you're going to be heard. If you're back here doing it, it's good, but it might not be bad.
There you go.
There it is, right there. Put that there. Wow, that was great. Smooth as glass.
Huh?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Come back, do more. We'll talk. Try not to break the furniture, okay? Bob, we love you, man. Hey, you know when something like that happens, you know what you say to the guy? I remember my first time on stage. That's the old joke. Anyway, good job, Bob. Thank you. Thanks for coming. We'll do it again. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
All right,
I'm gonna do a plug.
Here we go.
I'm plugging here.
Plug it.
Tomorrow night I'm gonna be on Jammin' Java, which is Robbie Robinson's show. He's a music director for the Four Seasons, and on the show is gonna be all the association, which is really a big deal to get.
It is.
Jules Alexander and Jim Yester, the guys who created the band, and the whole band's gonna be there. So.
That's cool.
That's very cool.
Good for you. When's that? Tomorrow night?
Tomorrow night.
How do we? Is there where we can see that or go
it's
somewhere?
right on, yeah, it's on Facebook and YouTube. Same as us. Look it up, Jammin' Java.
Okay.
And
At what time?
It's gonna. I think we're gonna go on around 7:30. Now that the whole band is gonna be there, he might want to start it early, but
Well,
it's a
check it
real-
out, folks. That
yeah.
sounds like fun.
It is having the whole band there. Because those guys are rock and roll history.
Does anybody know when Paul Marshall's going to be down at the Tuning Fork with the Icy Hawk Band? I think it's tonight or tomorrow night or something, isn't it? Anybody know?
It's on his webpage, or on his Facebook page. But
He
I don't
told
know.
me, and I thought, well, right after this show, I would
What?
like turn the lights out and run down to the Tuning Fork and catch his last show. They're going to be there, I think, 7 to 9 or 6 to 8 or something like that.
Where is the tuning fork?
It's down in Studio City by, is it Laurel Canyon?
It's on Laurel Place.
Yeah.
It's the street that connects Ventura Boulevard with Laurel
And
Canyon.
it's a little funny to find, but it's there.
Ventura
Ventura
Place.
Place.
Oh,
yeah,
Ventura
that's right,
Place.
that's right.
Thank you.
Anyway, folks, it's called the Tuning Fork, and if you people look it up, you'll get right to it. Yeah, I almost said a bad word.
A little adolescent in me went, hey, that's a dirty word. That's great.
See if I want to do something.
Yeah, do something.
I gotta think about what I want to do.
Okay, take your time. I'll take over the mic for a second, get practiced up for the show. Tell me when you're ready. In the meantime, 6:30, and it's probably going to go to about 8:39. It's going to be pretty crowded, I think, but it's going to be some real nice interpretations on covers and music, and maybe.
Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. Don't laugh, Bob. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. twice, and then left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses, you know I will, every day. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another, maybe I will someday. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Let it ring, boys.
Carmine become a
Thank you,
regular
guys.
Ricky
Hey, I did what you said. I raised I raised that tune key, and I'm liking it better there.
Sounds great.
You're right.
You're like
I
Ricky
don't know if it's
Nelson
great,
now.
but it sounded better. You can imagine what it sounded like before if it sounds better now.
Oh,
You
yeah,
know,
it was-
Jeez,
oh,
was
it
I
was
in
bad.
trouble, my God.
Yeah.
Okay, Swan, hit us with another one.
This is gonna be in the key of G. Everybody,
I love that key.
I'm gonna give them a second to get their trombones out at home.
What title is it?
Today,
Did he have to love
You can do it, you can do it.
too many cookies and not enough coffee. Today I started loving you.
G boys.
Who signed that guitar?
James Burton.
James Burton.
Well,
I thought that was the one that I graffitied on.
Anybody who doesn't know, anybody out there that don't know who James Burton is, look him up. You won't be sorry.
I got the G down.
I'm a professional, ladies and gentlemen.
You are.
Today I started loving you again. Help me, Bob. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, thinking I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. Crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again.
about? Here's one that we've never played. Can
Good.
I try one we've never played?
No. You can do whatever you want. Hey, we're having fun up here at Carmine's Country Corner. We broke in a new artist tonight, my good friend Bob Pelli, so get ready to start. You'll see him popping up here now. He's part of the family.
I can't wait. It was
We're
awesome.
gonna have some fun.
It was awesome.
Okay, what do we got that you're gonna lay on
Let's
us?
practice one with the practice the intro on a little bit. We'll let you behind the curtain a little bit here. We
Okay.
can do that little bit of practice. And work the beginning of this song, and Carmine came up with this great intro.
I did.
I'm watching your hands right now.
What's the song? What are we doing?
GDC, and it's you know it as Where's the Devil Gonna Hide?
Oh, okay. I love that song.
Right?
You wrote this.
Huh?
You wrote this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I explain real quick?
Yeah,
to the
go
song?
ahead.
I decided to write down a song that they're not to write a song, but never write it down. So this song has never been written down. If it gets written down by anybody, bad things happen. It's like breaking a mirror. So never write this song down.
Don't write the word. Just memorize them and know the song, but don't write it
I
on
thought
paper.
if I can write a song that I don't have to write down and I memorize, that's going to be a good song.
That is.
And so this is the song.
Okay, but nobody knows it because it's not written down.
But they can see people play it.
Wait a minute.
Okay, we're gonna follow you and play.
Does it go?
Okay, this is a song that's never been written down.
One more time, Carmine. One more time. I ain't competing with no one. It's just not my style. Can we get through this together and be happy for a while? You don't have to be a commie to want to even things out. And if every nut's a Nazi, what the hell's it all about? When the Lord comes to greet me, where's the devil gonna hide? And if life is gonna leave me, may as well enjoy the ride. Never write this song down. Never. Never write this song down. Never write it down. It's forbidden. One more time. Ain't competing with no one. It's just not my style. Can we get through this together and be happy for a while? You don't have to be a commie to want to even things out. Not every nut's a Nazi. What the hell's it all about? When the Lord comes to grief, where's the devil gonna hide? And if life is gonna leave me, may as well enjoy the ride. One more time. And if life is gonna leave me,
I like him.
That was fun.
I liked him better when he was all messed up in the head.
I had a pretty good groove going there, Palmer. You kind of laid it down pretty tight there, kid. Good.
I like it. I like it. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And that old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. And that old dog will bite, people they will treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. We got a harmonica player. Here we go. See Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. If you see Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. So I'm going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy mine. Thank you, folks. Hey, cool harmonica stuff there.
Yeah,
Just jumped in, that was fun.
that's how you do it.
Bob, you got another one?
Sure.
We're almost, we've got about 15 minutes and we're done, so we're having fun. Thanks for watching, folks. Keep pushing that like button and that share button, and then YouTube, push that subscribe button.
A Chuck Berry song called Little Queenie.
I love that song.
Me too.
And Thursday night, the Archery Museum.
Gee,
The tickets, if you go online, you get like a discount and everything. Come on down and join the fun. I think Bob Pelli's coming, and I know Tom's going to be there. He's going to be playing with us, performing with us, so that's going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if Tom's gonna be there, I'm there.
Huh?
A lot of people feel that way.
I know.
Tom, what?
Just if Tom's gonna be there, I'm gonna be there.
Oh, me too. Yeah, if Tom's going to be there. We're all going to be there. Kimmy, you coming?
Who's Tom?
Got 3 names.
You're not coming Thursday night? Why not?
She's got.
You what? Oh, yeah. Oh, well, excuse me.
Oh, on Van Nuys Boulevard?
I guess my daughter's going to be on a cruise. Well, she's going to miss it.
Whittier.
Jeez.
Whittier Boulevard, even better. Yeah.
Well, have fun. Okay, let's rock it.
Okay.
What key?
So this is gonna start off with a okay, in G. All right. It's the Ballad of the Little Queenie. She was 17 a long time ago, and now she's like 57, I guess, or 67. But in the story, she's 17. So don't worry.
Yes, she's okay. She's legal.
Yeah. Okay.
About that?
I got the lumps in my throat when I saw her coming down the aisle. I got the wiggles in my knees when she looked at me a sweetly smile. Oh, there she is again, standing over by the record machine, looking like a model on the cover of a magazine. You know she's too cute to be a minute over 17. And then meanwhile, I was thinking, she's in the mood, no need to break it. I got a chance, I ought to take it. We can dance, and she can make it. Come on, Queenie, let's shake it. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Woo! Go, 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 little Queenie. Come on. And again, and again. Oh, there she is again, standing over by the record machine, looking like a model on the cover of a magazine. You know she's too cute to be a minute over 17. And then meanwhile, I was still thinking, if it's a slow song, we'll omit it. If it's a rocker, that'll get it. If it's good, she'll admit it. Come on, Queenie, let's get with it. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Go, 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 little Queenie. Baby.
thinking Little Queenie might have been a guy.
Well, you never know.
Just saying.
But knowing Chuck, it probably wasn't.
Well, how you know guys know?
You know.
They don't know nothing.
I didn't know him personally, but
I don't think so. Anyway, nice
Thank you.
thought. What do you got, Tom?
On a long, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engine rolling out as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing left to do, and you don't feel much like riding. You just wish your trip was through. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. You walk into a restaurant, you're strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold, and you pretend it doesn't bother you. You just want to explode. And most times you can hear him talk, other times you can't. All the same old cliches, is that a woman or a man? You always seem outnumbered, you don't dare make a stand. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Gary, you got something? Gary Swan? One more time. I messed that up, Gary. One more time. Finish off the chorus, Carmine. Finish off the chorus. Out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away. With every ounce of energy You try to give away, and the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what you said. Let's go out hard, boys. Let's go out hard now. Here I am on the road again. Here I am on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. Here I go, turn the Oh, Carmine, stop.
What?
Well, you're just gonna hurt that thing. You're gonna make it catch on fire. No, you were.
be the same.
There were a couple things you didn't.
I had to switch guitars. My James Burton guitar was giving me trouble through that amp for some reason. Haven't used that amp in a while. It's a great amp, by the way. That's my old Music Man that I used for 30 years. I didn't want to get my Vibrolex out of the car. That's the one I play down at Knott's a lot, and it's too heavy. So I said, I'm just get this thing out.
It sounds good.
Play through it.
This one sounds the best. Just kidding.
Well, you know, that's a transistor. This is an old transistor amp, but it's Coulter. Let me tell you something about it. It does sound good. I'm going to tell you something else about it. The younger kids think they think it sounds great because that's all they ever heard.
Yes.
But if they were raised with tube amps the way we were, a lot of us were, they would know the difference. It's not a big difference, but there is a difference. Am I right, Bob?
There is.
Between tube amps and, but you can make them sound great. And the new kids, that's the only amp they ever knew.
Yeah.
You know, these kids were born in the 90s and 2000, 20 years ago, 2005. Oh, that amp, 1960. That's a 1965 Showman, all original amp that I bought in 1965. This amp here I bought in 1980. That one I just bought about 10 years ago. But the one that's in the car, the Vibrolex, which is my #1 amp, I bought that in 1970.
Vibrolux?
It's called the Vibrolex Fender.
Oh, it's a fan. Okay.
Yeah. And it's a great, for me personally, I like it.
I got a Vibrolex too.
They're great amps, aren't they? They're workhorses. That thing's like 50, 60 years old and
How much does it weigh?
more than my car. In fact, if you bought one like that today, it should come with a forklift, you know, to help you get it in the trunk because those suckers are heavy. But we have it. It's a great amp. Who got what in now? We got time for one more. Bob, you want to take us home? Do you feel like singing one?
Sure.
Or what? Do one. We're going to close out with this song. Thank you. Did you get enough stuff in for what you were doing?
This is the team for Thursday. We're ready to roll.
Okay. This is it. We're going to have one extra buddy there. We got
yeah.
Bob's going to be on acoustic and lead, which is going to be fabulous.
This is a magic
And we
lineup
got
for
Paul
me.
Marshall on bass. So it's going to be a fun band, folks.
Yes, it is.
All right, what do we got, Bob?
Let's do Hey Good Looking and See. Good. 2, 5, 1.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hold on. I'm gonna sit this one out because I'm just not gonna help Bob.
D, G, C. 1, 2, 1. Say hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pump and the dance is free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? time for me. Well, no more looking. I know I've been tooken. How's about saving all that time for me? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down in every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? La-da-da-dee.
Thank you.
Good night.